Okay, what we are going to do is that we're going to try 500 grams of this potato french fries in this Maya air fryer and see how it turns out. Right, come back in a short while. Spread it out and leave it to defrost by itself. Okay, now use the paper towel and then dry it. Dry as much as you can. Right, now we're almost ready to put it into the air fryer. We are now almost ready to try it out, and according to the menu, the chips and fries for around 600 to 1000 or 1 kilo takes around 18 minutes. We only have around 500 grams, so maybe we should time it maybe around, say, 15 minutes at 200 degrees. Let's try it. And now we get ready to actually mount it into the air fryer. And you can see the lights on the right starting to cook right now. It will take around 15 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Okay, we are done. Let's take a look. Wow. Oh. Smells good. Yeah. The quality seems pretty decent. Except that, there are certain places seems to be a bit more fried than the rest of it. Maybe I didn't turn it around, but anyway, it's the first try. Let's test it out and see whether it's crispy or not. It seems that certain parts of it is not fried enough, probably a bit raw. Maybe just try it and put it in for another, say, 5 minutes. Okay, and 5 minutes later we'll see what happens. Okay, 5 minutes is up. Let's see. Okay, this is very French fries. Okay, totally fried. Alright, that's good. Sprinkle some salt on it. Alright, and we are done with the French fries.